Revolutionizing AI music production. Introducing Riffusion.
Each step clearer now.
Hey guys, it's Josh from the WL Tech blog. If you're new here, we cover a wide range of topics around tech, privacy, security, hardware, and software. You get the idea. Make sure to hit that like button, and if you like this sort of content, hit the subscribe one too. Like it or not, AI music production is the future. I've been using AI music tools for over a year now, and I have to say, I like it. In an age where Auto-Tune and Pro Tools are just as important as microphones and mixing boards, I think it's fair to say that all modern music is already mostly artificial. Unfortunately, the cost of entry for good results is still really high. This is where AI music production can come in and bring high-quality creativity to regular folks like you and I. The same diffusion techniques that allow platforms like ChatGPT to confidently give you wrong answers is actually perfect for generating art. We saw this with services like DALL-E and software like Stable Diffusion, which can create amazing renditions of scenes from a text prompt, and now we're able to do the same with music, and it doesn't suck. Where AI tools today usually fail with hallucinations and inability to discern fact from imagination, that same scenario lends itself greatly to creative things like art and music. Last month, I found the Riffusion project and was able to join their private beta, and today I'm ready to share it with all of you. Riffusion is a very complete system for creating and refining your own music through AI, and this announcement is really exciting. I was able to ask the team a few questions for this video, so let's hear some background from Riffusion directly.
Riffusion started 2 years ago when lifelong bandmates Seth Forsgren and Hake Martirez trained the first Riffusion model in their basement as a tool for their own songwriting. Their hobby project was the first to demonstrate that the diffusion AI architecture could generate compelling original music, and its viral discovery unleashed a wave of research worldwide. Now teams at Google, Meta, TikTok, and more are building upon this insight. We are excited to take everything we've learned over the past 2 years to publicly launch our latest model soon.
Today, Riffusion has announced that they're entering a public beta, and you can currently sign up and use it for free with my link in the video description. I'll walk you through the features you'll find with Riffusion today. They're moving quickly, so I expect many new features to pop up soon. We currently have 3 main modes for how you can use Riffusion. The first is prompt mode. Similar to AI image generation, you can write a prompt asking for a type of song, and the platform creates the whole thing. I've used this a bunch, and it's really good, but I have a couple of things you want to do in the current version. First, go to your settings and turn on the option to moderate lyrics if you don't want explicit lyrics in your song. Then, in your prompt, put in "please make sure the lyrics rhyme," and please don't use abbreviations. Otherwise, you can be really vague and just ask for a love song or a pop song and get something like this.
I want you every day, same time, same place, same way. Something changed today when I saw you start to sway. Oh, the rhythm in your soul, it makes me want to know what makes you move like that, dancing through the crowd, no looking back. La la la, I see you shine, moving to a beat that's so divine.
Or you can be more specific and include music styles, instruments you'd like to hear, more details about the theme of the lyrics you'd like. Being an AI system, you can ask for stuff that's pretty absurd, and it'll surprise you with how seriously it took your request.
Why you fun on my PB&J? Why you gotta hate? Why you gotta hate? Got me feeling some type of way when you try to play. This ain't just food, it's my DNA. So back up off my PB&J.
The next major feature is compose mode. Here, you can write your own lyrics and create your own style prompt, and they even have a ghostwriter function that you can ask to help during the process. For example, you can write a verse and ask the ghostwriter to write another verse that follows what you've done yourself. You can also ask for sections to be rewritten, add a theme, all kinds of neat things, and it usually works really, really well. By default, every time you hit generate, it'll give you two results, using a random seed both times and resulting in a completely different output. If you're not happy with them, you can fine-tune your lyrics and style prompt, or just generate again if you're confident in your inputs and just want to try some more outputs. This is where I spend most of my time, tweaking those lyrics to make sure the cadence is perfect and trying different style prompts looking for just the right sound. Compose mode is the right place to refine your song into something greater and more meaningful than what you hear coming from record labels.
I'm alone and I need a girl, and I see you over there. I can tell from here that you're a girl with eyes and hair. I see you standing there, girl, you're a girl, and that's what I need. You're here and you're a girl, that's the kind of girl for me.
The third mode is radio. If you use Pandora and similar services before, you know you can pick a song you like and it'll try to play songs that would go well with it. This takes that a step farther. It will randomly create you a never-ending stream of songs matching with your original prompt. Great for putting on some lo-fi when you start your day and need a little soothing noise in the background, or a brand new playlist of awesome highway driving songs to keep you going on your next road trip. Or maybe you have a fussy kid that won't nap without some sleepy lullaby playing. I can see this being really popular for people who really want some music to listen to, but don't want all the commercials and weather reports and DJs talking about whatever nonsense interrupting their flow. And if you hear a song you really like, you can save it to your favorites so it's easy to listen to again. Now, once you've made a song, maybe there's something you want to change about it. Maybe you got a word wrong in the lyrics, but you like it otherwise. You can use the cover function to alter the lyrics or the style, but otherwise base it on the original result. You can also extend a song, either to make it longer, or maybe you made a song that started out awesome, but fell apart. Just extend it from right before it fell apart and let it have another go. You can even replace a section of a song. Riffusion also lets you publish your own profile page of music you want to share with the world. I've got a few songs published on my page. You can find the link in the description to check them out. Listeners can save your songs as favorites and also be able to come back to them easily when they want to hear them again. You can make playlists too. Check it out. Another interesting feature with Riffusion is personalization. You don't get it out of the box, but once you've hit a number of usage goals, you can turn it on. The benefits of personalizations includes tuning the engine to produce music more like the songs you favorited, access to upcoming beta features, and more. I'm still making my way to this one, so I expect to cover it in more detail in a later video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out. Being new for public use, there are of course some areas where improvement is ongoing. You might run into some wacky results, misplaced words, and results that just aren't quite there yet. Some of it will improve as you get better at using the tool. Knowing how to prompt effectively will get you really far. Others will improve as the models iterate. Right now I find that Riffusion is amazing at modern styles and pretty darn good at older styles as well. There's also the fact that it's just launching, and usage is likely to explode. Scaling from a user base of dozens of users to potentially thousands in the span of a few days is no easy task, so expect some hiccups along the way. But when you get that song you've always wanted, any extra effort will be more than worth it. When I started playing with AI music, I had a dozen songs that had been in my head for years, but I was never able to bring them to reality. That changed my life in a positive way, and over the next year or so, music was a helpful outlet for dealing with some major events that life threw at me. And over time, I've worked my way up to where I feel like I can make music that really speaks not only to me, but also to others. This is the future. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you do want to join Riffusion Beta for free, make sure to use my link in the video description so they know where you came from. They also have a great Discord channel where you can interact with other users and the staff, which is really awesome. As for me, I primarily hang out on the Hackers Homestead Discord channel, where we talk about hardware and software hacking, and also are operating the Thingino firmware project. If you're into that sort of stuff, I hope you'll join us over there. As always, I'd love to see your questions and comments down below, and I appreciate all of your feedback. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Take care, everybody, and until next time,
Stay fresh, she's back.